Hello everyone, today, I'll explain what Salesforce is and how it works. Salesforce provides cloud-based tools and services for sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. It helps businesses manage contacts, leads, and accounts in a centralized database. To start, add contacts or accounts by clicking Accounts from the home page, then New from the top right corner. Enter details like account name, website, description, and contact information. Once added, you can schedule meetings, assign tasks, and track opportunities. Let's set up meeting availability. Salesforce integrates with popular email and calendar apps, ensuring synchronized meeting details across platforms. You can create a list of contacts by clicking New and adding details like contact name, account name, title, and description. Upload documents, pictures, or videos for each contact. Salesforce enables marketing automation, allowing businesses to create and manage marketing campaigns, track effectiveness, and analyze customer responses. You can manage sales opportunities and deals by tracking progress from initial lead to final closure. Fill in details like opportunity name, account, expected closing date, stage, and potential revenue. Salesforce integrates email marketing campaigns, offering various email templates. Create email lists for contacts and add message content. For customer service and support, Salesforce allows businesses to track and manage customer inquiries, issues, and resolutions. Create cases, manage schedules, and add events. Access reports and dashboards to gain insights into sales, marketing, and customer service activities. This enables data-driven decision-making. Salesforce helps businesses of all sizes improve customer connections and streamline sales and marketing activities. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.